Just pause and think, if this world were without purpose, why would there be such precise calculations in it? Why is everything running in a rule, a pattern, a balance? The Quran says we have created everything with a measure. Quantity means measure, means calculation, means math. But the question is, if there is no Allah, then where did this math come from? The universe does not speak, but it calculates. Stars do not collide because they know where to stop. If the Earth shifts even 1 degree from its axis, life ends. This is not coincidence. This is design. Now, look at humans. They say, I am random. My life is chance. But their heart is made in the golden ratio. Their face desires symmetry, and their mind cannot rest without finding patterns. Why? Because humans come from the same system that speaks in math. Psychology says that person feels the most pain when they don't find meaning. There may be money, fame, freedom, yet emptiness. Why? Because the stomach wants food, but the soul asks questions. The Quran says that eyes do not become blind, hearts become blind. This is not poetry. This is a psychological diagnosis. Today's human is seeing everything: NASA, AI, quantum physics. But he cannot see himself because he has closed his heart and made only the mind his God. Math teaches us that if one assumption in an equation is wrong, the entire answer is wrong. And what is the biggest wrong assumption of humans? I am enough by myself. The Quran says a person becomes a circus when he considers himself self-sufficient. This is ego. This is the error. Now, about consciousness. Science says consciousness is a chemical reaction of the brain. So the question is, when a person sleeps and the brain remains active, where does consciousness go? When a person dies, the brain shuts down. But the Quran says the soul departs. It does not end. In mathematics, there is a concept called infinity. We can understand it but not grasp it completely. Similarly, Allah can be understood but not defined. And this is the philosophy of the Quran. Allah is not seen through a microscope but by humbling oneself. That's why the Quran neither gives lectures nor formulas. It asks, do you not think? Do you not understand? Do you not use your intellect? Math tells us that the universe is orderly. Psychology tells us that humans die without meaning. And the Quran tells us that meaning comes only from Allah. Without Allah, math is blind.